guys, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Jai Hind.
Jai Hind, sir.
Okay, so topic is ready.
Yes, sir.
Today's topic is
Arranged
love marriage versus
marriage.
arranged marriage. So today's topic is love marriage versus arranged marriage. जैसा कि आज अपने तीसरे टॉपिक का डिस्कशन हम करने जा रहे हैं, पूरे इवेंट को सिस्टमैटिक तरीके से हम करेंगे. सबसे पहले अपना क्या होना चाहिए? सेल्फ डिस्क्रिप्शन होगा. क्या होगा? मतलब अपने आप को इंट्रोड्यूस करना है, फॉलोड बाय द डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ द गिवन टॉपिक. एंड टुडेज टॉपिक इज ओके. उसके बाद में हम राउंड सेकंड में क्या करेंगे? इसी टॉपिक पे जीडी करेंगे, राइट? ओके, सो द लीस्ट चेस नंबर will stand introducing himself following by the description of the given topic. Stand.
Good morning, sir and dear friends. I am here to introduce myself. Myself Arun Kumar from Lodi, Haryana. I have recently passed class 12th with 93%. Now I am pursuing BSc in mathematics. We are four members in our family. My father, Mr. Pradeep Kumar, is a soldier in CRPF. My mother, Mrs. Manisa, is a house taker. We are two siblings. My hobby is to play indoor and outdoor game. I am interested in visiting historical places. My aim is to join Indian Air Force. Now I am going to express my views on topic love marriage versus arranged marriage. Marriage is a lifelong commitment. So we have the right to choose our life partner. Love is the base for any marriage. Love is the base for any marriage. Love marriage prevails equality. It results into live family with happiness. Now I would like to express views on disadvantage of love marriage. Some society does not allow love marriage.
Next.
Good morning all of you. I am Harsh Parik from Jhunjhunu, Rajasthan. I recently gave examination for BCom second year. I belong to a humble middle class family. We are 3 members in our family. My mother, Mrs. Sandhya Parik, is a government servant. We are 2 siblings. My late father, Mr. Janardhan Purohit, is no more among us. My hobbies are playing cricket and watching movies. I am interested in watching historical places. I want to become an airman. It is my dream. Now I am going to describe about the topic, that is love marriage versus arranged marriage. I would like to tell the advantage of love marriage. In love marriage, couples knew each other very well, so there is no chance, and they also understood each other very well, so there would not be mutual conflict between them. In love marriage, the people who go for love marriage are more choices than those who go for arranged marriage, because arranged marriage is held between the people of same caste, same religion, and same society, same.
Next.
Good morning all of you. I am Jitendra from Rajgarh in Rajasthan. I recently passed class 12th with 96%. Now I am purchasing BSc first year in mathematics. We are 4 members in our family. My father, Mr. Balveer Singh, is in Indian Army. My mother, Mrs. Umravati Devi, is house taker. We are 2 siblings in our family. My hobby is to play indoor and outdoor games. I am interested into watch historical videos on social media. My dream is to join Indian Air Force because it is full of glory and adventure. Now I present my views on the topic love marriage versus arranged marriage. Marriage is lifelong commitment, so selecting one's life partner should be one's own hand. Love is best for any marriage.
Next.
Good morning friends and dear sir. I am Chetan Saini from Jhunjhunu in Rajasthan. I have recently passed with class 12th with 96%. Now I am pursuing BSc first year in mathematics. We are 4 members in our family. My father, Mr. Vijay Singh Saini, is a driver. My mother, Mrs. Sair Devi, is a house taker. We are 2 siblings. My hobby is to play cricket. I am interested to visit on historical places. Now my dream is to be joined Indian Air Force. Now I am going to present my views upon the topic love marriage versus arranged marriage. Marriage is love is base of marriage. In love marriage, couples knew each others and they are
Next.
Good morning everyone. I am Abhishek Sharma from Sikar in
जोर
Rajasthan.
से.
I have passed class 12th with 31%. Now I am pursuing BSc first year in biology. We are 5 members in our family. My father Mr. Banwal Sharma is a businessman. My mother Mrs. Lalita Devi is a house taker. We are 3 siblings. My hobby is to play indoor and outdoor games, and I am interested in visit historical places. My dream is to join Indian Air Force. Now I am going to present my views upon the given topic, arranged marriage versus love marriage.
Good morning, sir and dear friends. I would like to thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. I am Satyajit Rajpur from Pali in Rajasthan, which is famous for Swiss of Gulab. I have completed my intermediate with 87%. Now I am pursuing BSc first year in mathematics. We are 6 members in my family. My father, Mr. Devi Singh, is a farmer. My mother, Mrs. Nirbala Kaur, is a house taker. We are poor family. My stand is carrying positive attitude, self-motivated and hard worker. I want to join Indian Air Force because it is myself and my parents' dream, and it is a job full of adventure, pride and satisfaction. Now I am going to present my views upon given this topic, arranged marriage versus love marriage. Advantage of arranged marriage. In arranged marriage, parents inquire each other families and circle. This is a high probability to one is the will when get into the where relationship.
Next.
Good morning, sir and my dear friends. I am Junjo from Mangarh in Rajasthan. I have recently passed class 12th with 92%. Now I am pursuing BSc first year in mathematics. I belong to humble middle class family. We are 6 members in our family. My father Mr. Baldev Singh is a farmer and my mother Mrs. Gurmeet Kaur is a house taker. My hobby is play indoor and outdoor games. I am interested in visiting historical places and my job is to join Indian Air Force. So my today topic is love marriage versus arranged marriage. Love is a base for any marriage. Love marriage is there will be their couple. In love marriage, couple know each other very well. Love marriage is
Next.
Good morning friends and my dear sir. I am Vikas Kumar from Badki in Churu in Rajasthan. I have recently passed BSc first year in mathematics with 86%. I am pursuing BSc second year in mathematics. I belong to middle class humble family. We are 5 members in my family. My father Mr. Rajendra Prasad is a farmer. My mother Mrs. Mohani Devi is a humble housewife. We are 3 siblings. My hobby is to join Indian Air. My hobby is to play and watch cricket. My goal is to join Indian Air Force. Now I am going to present my views on the given topic, love marriage versus arranged marriage. Marriage is a lifelong commitment, so selection of life partner is in our hand. Love is base of any kind of marriage, so love marriage, in love marriage no question having whether love or not.
Next.
Thank you for providing me an opportunity. Good morning all of you. I am
जोर से बेटा.
Anand Kumar Sharma and I am belong to Junjun, Rajasthan, which is known for its appreciable literacy rate and a high number of marchers. I completed my 12th class in 2020 and scored 89 marks, and currently I pursuing my graduation from Sequat University. My father Mr. Ram Gopal Sharma is a farmer and my mother Mrs. Mohani Devi is a housemaker. My family consists of 8 members included me. My hobbies are reading newspaper and playing cricket, and my strength is are hardworking and good leadership among the people, and also being stable in one work. It's get complete, and I want to join Indian Air Force
because the duty, dress and discipline of Indian Air Force is always attractive to me, and also I want to touch the sky with glory. Now I present my views upon the given topic: love marriage versus arranged marriage. Marriage is a long life commitment. So select a life partner should be one's own hand, and love is the state of any marriage.
Next.
Good morning, sir, and my dear friends. I am Siddhant from Alwar in Rajasthan. I have recently passed class 12th with 82%. Now I am pursuing BSc first year. We are 4 members in our family. My father, Mr. Anil Kumar, is a worker in a company, and my mother, Mrs. Usha Devi, is a house taker. My hobby is to playing outdoor and indoor games, and I am interested visiting historical places, and my dream is to join Indian Air Force. Now I am going to present my views upon the given topic: love marriage versus arranged marriage. Advantage of love marriage. Marriage is a commitment, is a lifetime commitment. So selecting the life partner should be in one's own hand. Love is the base for any marriage. In love marriage, there will be no question on whether love happens or not. Now some disadvantage of love marriage. Youngsters may attraction with love.
Next.
Good morning, sir. I am Manoj Kumar Jat from Jaipur in Rajasthan. I recently passed class 12th, 80%. I belong to a middle class family. We are 4 members in our family. My father is Bansidhar, is a postman. My mother, Mrs. Ghosh Devi, is a house taker. My hobby to play cricket, indoor game and outdoor game. And I am interested in online games. My dream to join Indian Air Force. Now I am going to present given topic: love marriage and arranged marriage. Marriage is a lifelong commitment. So selecting life partner should be
Next.
Good morning, sir, and my dear friends. I am Govind Singh Gurjar from Karoli in Rajasthan. I have recently passed class 12 with 96% mark. Now I am pursuing BSc first year in mathematics. We are 5 members in our family. My father, Mr. Sumran Singh Gurjar, is a librarian, and my mother, Mrs. Sheila Devi, is a house taker. My hobby is to play cricket, and my dream is to join Indian Air Force. Now I am going to presenting my views on the given topic: arranged marriage versus love marriage. Marriage is a long life commitment, and so selecting life partner should be one's own hand. Love marriage basis of any marriage, so there is no question about so there is no question on whether love may or not. Love marriage couple know very well, and they
Okay, stop. Okay guys, ये आपके अडेप्टेबिलिटी टेस्ट सेकंड के लिए पहला राउंड था. इस राउंड में काफ़ी अच्छे से आप लोगों ने मिस्टेक्स करी है, जमा के करी है, क्योंकि टॉपिक हमने थोड़ा सा इसी तरह का कॉम्प्लिकेटेड टॉपिक लिया. टाइम आपको ठीक ठाक मिल गया था, डजंट मैटर, बट बहुत अच्छी प्रिपरेशन मैं इसे नहीं कह सकता. कॉन्फिडेंस की काफ़ी बच्चों में कमी थी. जो लैकिंग आप लोगों ने करी, जो कमियां रही, हम सभी एरर्स का एनालिसिस करते हैं. आपने क्या क्या मिस्टेक्स करी उनका एनालिसिस करते हैं. सबसे कॉमन एरर निकल गया है रिपीटिशन. हर बार मना किया गया है कि रिपीट नहीं करना है. जहाँ कहीं से भी आपका सेंटेंस टूटा है उसको प्रॉपर वे में कनेक्ट करने की कोशिश करें. उसको दोबारा बोलने की जरूरत नहीं समझे, और बहुत ही गलत प्रैक्टिस है. सेंटेंस टूटा, 4 वर्ड बोले, उन 4 वर्ड्स को दोबारा रिपीट नहीं करें. ये आपको पहली प्रैक्टिस करनी है. इससे आपका कॉन्फिडेंस ऑटोमेटिकली बिल्डअप होगा, डेफिनेटली ओके ही रहेगा. सेकेंडरी देखा गया कि बच्चों में बिल्कुल कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं है. काफ़ी बच्चों में कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं है. 3-4 बच्चे कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ बोले, बाकी सभी में कॉन्फिडेंस की कमी है. जब भी कॉन्फिडेंस की कमी होती है तो आप नज़र चुराते हैं. आपकी नज़र जो है वो आपके इंटरव्यूइंग पैनल से हटती रही है बार बार. ये गलत आपकी प्रैक्टिस है, इसे आपको अवॉइड करना है. प्रॉपर आई कांटेक्ट रखेंगे, जो भी बोलेंगे पूरा कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ बोलेंगे। प्रॉपर वे में टॉपिक याद नहीं होने की वजह से बीच बीच में गैप्स आ रहे हैं। प्रॉपर वे में हो सकता है आपने याद किया हो बट बोल नहीं पा रहे हैं, इट मीन्स अभी भी गैप्स मेंटेन नहीं हो रहे आपसे। बीच में जो गैप आ रहा है इसका मतलब है कि आपका जो भी इंटरव्यूइंग पैनल है वो आपको स्किप करके अगले बच्चे पे जा सकता है। ऐसे में आपकी मार्किंग जितना कुछ भी आपने डिलीवर किया है उसके अकॉर्डिंग होगी, और कम मार्किंग होती है पहले राउंड में तो दूसरे राउंड में बहुत ज़्यादा आपके ऊपर लोड पड़ेगा। पहले राउंड में अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस नहीं है तो दूसरे में उम्मीद भी नहीं कर सकते, इसलिए पहले राउंड में बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस हमें करना होता है। इसके लिए आप गैप्स को मेंटेन करें। बोलते समय बीच में इंटरवल्स आते हैं, अंतराल आते हैं, उनको आपको मेंटेन करना है। आप जो कुछ भी बोलना चाह रहे हैं आप नहीं बोल पा रहे हैं, आप वैसा ही कुछ दूसरा बोलिए, आप बोलते रहिए एटलीस्ट, ताकि वो इंटरव्यूइंग पैनल ऑफिसर आपसे इंटरेक्ट रहे। उसका जैसे इंटरेक्शन हटा वो अगले बच्चे पे चला जाएगा, नेक्स्ट चेस्ट नंबर पे चला जाएगा। इसलिए सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ है कि गैप्स को मेंटेन किया जाए। आई कांटेक्ट आप अपने ऑफिसर से प्रॉपर रखेंगे। वर्ड के ऊपर स्ट्रेस नहीं देना है, जोर नहीं लगाना है। वंस है, अरेंज है, मैरिज है, इन विलेज है, स्ट्रेस बिल्कुल भी नहीं देना है। आपको सिंपल फ्लो में वर्ड्स को मुंह से निकालना है, डिलीवर करना है। स्ट्रेस के साथ में वर्ड्स को, सेंटेंस को डिलीवर नहीं करना है। एक्सेंट आपकी फिर से लोकल आ रही है, काफ़ी बच्चे मिस्टेक्स कर रहे हैं, मैं आपको बता दूं। चेस्ट नंबर 84 आपने फिर मार्क बोला, मार्क्स को, ठीक है। इसी तरह से चेस्ट नंबर 53 आपने परसुइंग को क्या बोला, प्रूजिंग बोला, परसुइंग बोलना है बेटा। जो भी वर्ड्स आपके कॉमन डेली यूजेस वाले वर्ड्स हैं उनको गलत नहीं बोलना है, सिबलिंग्स को सिबलिंग्स ही बोलना है। इसी तरह से आपका एक्सेंट जो है राजस्थान बिल्कुल प्रॉपर होना चाहिए। हरियाणा में ना नहीं बोले, ना बोले। किसी भी लोकेलिटी से या कोई भी वर्ड आप यूज़ करते हैं तो उसका एक्सेंट बिल्कुल प्रॉपर होना चाहिए। क्लियर? ओके, तो टॉपिक आपका बहुत अच्छे से प्रिपेयर है। क्या आप ग्रुप डिस्कशन के लिए रेडी है या और टाइम लेना चाहेंगे? प्रिपरेशन के लिए और टाइम चाहिए, ग्रुप डिस्कशन के लिए रेडी है? आर यू रेडी?
Yes, sir.
All are ready?
Yes, sir.
Should we start right now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so try to initiate the group discussion. If you are unable to initiate the group discussion, then stop yourself and let others to speak. Okay? Secondary, if the initiators are making their efforts back to back, then one have to stop them. Say, let me initiate the group discussion, guys. Just stop for once. Saying this, you have to initiate the group discussion. So all are ready?
Yes, sir.
Should we start right now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, 3, 2, 1.
Marriage is a lifelong commitment. So life partner should be in one sound. Marriage is
Marriage is a long life commitment.
Marriage is based on love. So there is no question that whether love happens or not in love marriage. Love marriage prevails equality.
People who goes for love marriage.
Arranged marriage is like a lottery. Arranged marriage.
Chest number 73, I am agree with you. Arranged marriage is like a lottery system because love will maybe happens or may not be happens between the couple.
Yes, I am fully agree with you. Chest number 52. Arranged marriage.
Love marriage lives.
Arranged marriage.
Love marriage lives.
In the arranged marriage, parents do inquiry each other families and families
Chest number 22, I
circle.
fully agree with you. You want to say that parents are inquiring each other family and in once will get same family as of theirs in after getting married.
Arranged marriage, parents do inquire about family and their circles. So there is highly chance to get a same partner of same family.
I agree with this. Unacceptable in the many part of India. Need in future. So check the. I agree with chest number 79. Love is the best for marriage and
Yes, I agree with chest number 53. Love is the base of in love marriage. Love is the base of any marriages, and love will happen or no. It will not a question in the love marriage.
yes, I am agree with the chest number 52. In the arranged marriage, parents and well wishes think about their future and
I fully agree with the test number 72. In love marriage, couple know each other very well. This is a probability will already understood each other very well.
Yes, I agree with test number 73. According to the Dr. Robert Epstein, love in love marriage is fade away with time, and love in arranged marriage is grew with time.
Ratio of divorce in love marriage is less than love marriage, but we cannot say that they are happily married.
Love marriage is basis I agree with any marriage, and there is no question on whether love may or not.
In love
Love and marriage cannot share their blossom between opinions between the couples, so they may cause conflicts between them.
Yes, I agree. The name of arranged marriage is
Person who goes to for love marriage more have more choice and the
72. I want to say the people who go for love marriage had more chance than who go for arranged marriage.
The people who go for love marriage, have more choices than who go for arranged marriage, because arranged marriage is held between the people of same caste, same religion, and same class.
Love is not only the thing we need in life. We should also check many. We should also check many things like.
Yes, number 40. I agree with you. We should check many things like our background, our family background, our economic condition, and the environment in which we grew up.
Yes, I fully agree with you. Youngers way already attract with love.
Yes, I agree with test number 30. Love marriage.
I am agree with you, but I believe that the love marriage are still socially unacceptable in our society. But the people who go from the arranged marriage, they are not satisfied from our.
Yes, I agree. Just number 80 that
I am agree with you. Arranged marriage is
Parents force the couple not to divorce, yet they are not happy with their relationship.
In love marriage couple know very well, and they already understand each other.
Yes, number 84. I am fully agree with you. They already knew each other, and so there will be no chance of mutual conflict between them.
What is your opinion, test number 65?
love is the best for any marriage, and love is not
Yes,
anything but.
I agree with you. Love is the best for any marriage, and it is not question whether love will happen or not happen in the love marriages.
Yes, I agree with you. Test number 52. In the love marriage, couples who know each other very well, and
they already understand each other, so there are no conflict in between the couples.
Yes, I agree with you. But love is not only a thing that we need in our life. There are more other things that we should also focus on the reality, like family background, economic conditions, and
Couple does not know each other very well, because they spend less time with together before the marriage.
Relatives and well-wishers think about future and economic condition of the families.
Yes, I agree with you. Relatives and well-wishers take decision of marriage after concluding economic background and family background of.
What is your opinion, test number 83?
arranged marriage is like lottery. Love may not have between the couples.
Yes, number 72. I agree with you. Love marriage is like arranged marriage is like a lottery system, because love may be happen or may not be happen between the couple in arranged marriages.
Couple knowing each other very well, and most probably they also observed them, understood each other very well, and won't be conflict.
I agree with you. Love and when not blossom between the couples.
Okay, guys. So, thus the group discussion is going to be dismissed, and I hope that 50% of the candidates participated blissfully and with good efforts, and the remaining candidates are still unmoved. There is no change so far they do not try to participate or to intrude in the group discussion. So the chess numbers I'm going to announce. You have to participate at any cost, otherwise you will remain the same while you were there in any airman selection center for group discussion. You will remain same as it is you are here in this group, right? You don't have too much stress while I'm here. You don't have too much stress while your group mates are your well known. Okay? Their circumstances will be completely different. Your officers will be very different from mine. Your group mates will be unknown definitely. Hardly you will know a single candidate. He will be found in your same group. So the depression, the pressure will remain 200% from here instead of the situation is going right now, right?
Yes, sir.
So it's very clear that chess number 63, you have to participate at any cost. In next group discussion, you have to initiate the group discussion. I will stop the remaining candidates. You will initiate the group discussion and you have to participate at least 5 times. Once initiate and 4 time participation. 65, the same condition will applicable for you also. Clear? You have to participate 4 times and try to initiate the group discussion. Yes, just number 67, you joined today. It is your first discussion. That's why I am going to forgive you. Okay, just number 72, it's your problem that too much word stress you are using. As I told you earlier after the round first, that you have to avoid stressing on the words. Instead of avoiding, you are much using the things that I have straightly denied you to do. Okay? I have refused you not to use stress on the words. In this situation, in breaks with stress, this is a very awful pronunciation, awful use of English. Okay? Should not use, not must not use this. Clear? Okay. Chess number 83. What are you doing? Why not participating in the group discussion? Would you not like to be there? Selected or not to be selected? Selected ना? तो क्यों नहीं बोलते भाई? आपको बोलना पड़ेगा. The same condition will be applicable for you also. Chess number 63, 65 and 83. Chess number 80. You have to increase a little bit because of you are new in this group. Okay? You are new in this group, recently joined this group. So chess number 67 and 80 are newcomers. So you have to increase yourself or increase your knowledge, as well as you have to try to participate 4 or 5 times or try to initiate the group discussion also. Clear? ये बेटा आपकी कमियां थी. और जो मैं बताता हूँ, आपने बहुत ज़्यादा एक चीज़ का यूज़ किया, वो है अग्री होना. ठीक है? I'm agree with chess number, I'm agree with chess number, I'm agree with chess number. इतना ज़्यादा अग्री नहीं करना आपको, राइट? आप अपना ओपिनियन रखें, बिल्कुल ओपनली रखें. हर बार हर किसी को अग्री नहीं करें. कोई ज़रूरी नहीं है कि वो ही सही बोल रहा है, या फिर आप अपना ओपिनियन दें तो आप फ्रीली दें. 1-2 बार अग्री करें, 1-2 कैंडिडेट अग्री करें, 3-4 कर ले में, लेकिन इतना ज़्यादा अग्री भी नहीं करें. डिसअग्री नहीं करें, डजेंट मैटर, बट अग्री बोलना जरूरी नहीं है हर बार. ओके. एक सबसे बड़ी कमजोरी है कि आप बहुत धीरे बोलते हैं. हमेशा देखा गया है कि 3-4 बच्चे जब कोई भी बीच में स्लैकिंग होती है, कोई बच्चा रुक जाता है, टुकड़ों में बोल रहा है, तो अटैक करते हैं उस पर. अटैक करते हैं, धीरे धीरे अटैक करते हैं. तो शानदार तरीके से अटैक करिए ना. 2 जो साथ में आपके और अटैक करें, ऑटोमेटिक चुप हो जाएंगे. आपने देखा जिस तरह से चेस नंबर 73 पूरे बोल्डली बोलता है, हालांकि इसको सेंटेंस फॉर्म करना, दिमाग में सेंटेंस फ्रेम करने में जोर आ रहा है, लेकिन फिर भी जो कुछ भी टूटा फूटा बोल रहा है ना, बड़ा बोल्ड होके बोलता है. जो कोई बोल्ड होके बोलेगा, स्ट्रेट वे में बोलेगा, लाउडली बोलेगा, उसको सुना जाएगा. उसको सुनते समय बाकी बच्चे भी रह जाएंगे, वो बोलेंगे नहीं. तो आपका स्टेटमेंट ऑटोमेटिकली फॉरवर्ड हो जाएगा, आपका कॉन्फिडेंस बना रहेगा. इसलिए जो कुछ भी बोले जोर से बोलना है, बिल्कुल दबंग होकर के. क्लियर है? एक जो चेस नंबर 40 है, 52 है, इवन 73 है, आप लोगों ने कॉन्स्टेंटली पार्टिसिपेट किया, बार बार बोलने का प्रयास किया। ऐसे में जब आप 4, 5, 6 बार बोल जाते हैं तो आप लोगों के व्यूज भी ले सकते हैं। जैसे चेस नंबर 40 ने कहा कि व्हाट इज योर ओपिनियन चेस नंबर 65 अपॉन दिस टॉपिक, फिर भी 65 तो ठीक से नहीं बोल पाए। तो ऐसे में जब भी आपको ऑफर मिलता है तो आप क्या कहेंगे? थैंक यू चेस नंबर 40 फॉर आस्किंग मी अबाउट माई ओपिनियन ऑन दिस टॉपिक। इसमें टॉपिक के बारे में क्या बोला आपने? क्या बोला टॉपिक के बारे में? बोला क्या कुछ? नहीं ना। थैंक यू चेस नंबर 40 फॉर आस्किंग मी अबाउट माई ओपिनियन ऑन दिस टॉपिक। इसमें आपने टॉपिक के बारे में क्या बोला? कुछ नहीं बोला, लेकिन पार्टिसिपेट तो हो रहा ना। जो फ्रेजेस मैंने बताई है वो फ्रेजेस आप लर्न करिए, उनका इस्तेमाल करिए, उसके बाद में टॉपिक के बारे में कुछ भी टूटा फूटा बोलो। एक बार पार्टिसिपेट तो आपका फ्लो बनेगा ऑटोमेटिक। इन बच्चों का फ्लो बना है ना, आप में से बनाया, बहुत शानदार, ये प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं, आप भी करेंगे, लेकिन आपको पार्टिसिपेट करना पड़ेगा इस बार। मैं बख्शने वाला नहीं हूँ। क्लियर? सो यू हैव टू पार्टिसिपेट एट एनी कॉस्ट, अदरवाइज यू हैव टू बी पनिश्ड इन डिफरेंट मैनर। 1-1 घंटे तक मैं टॉपिक बुलवाऊंगा एक जगह खड़ा होकर, ठीक है ना, स्टेज पे। क्लियर? ओके, सो यू विल डिसाइड नेक्स्ट टॉपिक फॉर टुमारो एंड द ग्रुप डिस्कशन विल बी कमिटेड ट्वाइस। ओके, नेक्स्ट टाइम इसको मैं आगे पोस्टपोन करता हूँ, इसका दोबारा मैं आपका डिस्कशन कराऊंगा, वहाँ पे फिर से एक डिस्कशन कमिट करेंगे हम लोग, और उसके बाद में मैं दोबारा आपका एनालिसिस करूंगा इसी टॉपिक पे। क्लियर? तब तक के लिए आप कर ले में, हम 2 बजे फिर मिलते हैं। राइट? थैंक यू गाइस फॉर वॉचिंग। जय हिंद, जय भारत, वंदे मातरम।